If you're experiencing issues with FIFA 24 multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer functionality. Step 2. Restart your game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing connectivity issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them to ensure you have the latest fixes and features. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the internet. Check your settings to ensure that FIFA 24 is allowed through your firewall and antivirus programs. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance.